Today I am sharing a very special event with you guys, and I know what you're thinking. An event in Monaco is probably at like Hôtel de Paris or Place de Casino or some fancy restaurant, but no, this event is totally different because it involves a bunch of boats. And when I say a bunch of boats, I more specifically mean a bunch of Monte Carlo boats. Monte Carlos are famous because they originally came about in the 1980s and are now gaining popularity again. They are incredible day boats. We own one and we dock it in Cap d'Aille, and recently we were invited to this gathering of other Monte Carlo owners, so I suddenly feel like I'm a quadruplet next to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quintuplet, 6. I don't even know what the word for 6 is. Anyway, this event should be something quite unusual, nothing that I've seen before and nothing that anyone in the area has seen before either. So we're gonna talk to the other owners, we're gonna have lunch, I'm gonna show you the beautiful scenery, and I hope you enjoy it.
Welcome to the Monte Carlo days. We have Monte Carlo 30, Monte Carlo 32. This is the president of the club. Monte Carlo 30 is a great history, great boat. Today this is the 32, the more modern version.
I don't have a lot of time because I have a friend with motor troubles. It would be
it's part of the Monte Carlo experience.
More shiny.
You need to learn to live with problems.
Yes.
Yeah.
But look at how great this boat is made for the Mediterranean. So you can entertain all your friends. The seakeeping qualities are amazing, still modern.
Sympathetic friends.
And we have big V8s, which are eco-friendly.
V8 is something I hear a lot about today.
Yeah, because guys like V8.
Men.
Yeah,
Boys and their toys and their engines.
I love all about the Monte Carlo. You make nice friends and good friends for life.
As you've seen in some of my boat vlogs from Leicester, one of which I'll link above now, the best way to get around from the sea to restaurants is by a tender. So that's exactly what we're doing now. Tell us your name and what made you get your Monte Carlo boat.
So my name is Willem Brom. I'm from Holland. I fell in love with the Monte Carlo as a project a long time ago, but I couldn't afford it. And then one day I saw one for sale on eBay. And so on eBay I went, okay, wow, this is interesting. It was in Chicago and I live in Holland, so it's not really nearby. I won the bid because the Americans don't appreciate classics. And they thought, it's an old boat, what's it worth? So I went there. I won the bid, I went there and I wanted to check out whether the engine was working, because it had 2 V8 engines and lots can go wrong. And so then I said to the guy, okay, well, just crank the engine and see what happens. And it went like, whoa. Once you hear a spinning V8, you're sold. In my case, I was sold. So I said, okay, whatever, it's fine, I'll do it. So I bought it in the US and I shipped it over to Holland, and I then restored it for 4 years or something, and now it's beautiful.
And what's your favorite feature of the Monte Carlo?
The favorite feature, I would say, is the staircase on this side, because it's not a ladder, it's a staircase. You actually walk down from the sea onto your boat, which is brilliant. Number 2 would be the 2 V8s. It's absolutely amazing. The shape of the hull makes it go really smooth ride, because when it goes over the waves, it doesn't land that hard. So I guess that.
High five to Monte Carlo.
Camera rolling! Gentlemen, start your engines!
Well, as we are leaving this fabulous event, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching this vlog. I know it's very different to the vlogs I usually do, but then this is something that we don't usually do here either. So yeah, thank you for sticking around. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time from a whole new continent.